Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wall hole repair is probably one of the most satisfying DIY projects you can undertake. Those unsightly holes, whether from a misplaced nail or an accidental bump, can be easily banished, restoring your walls to their former glory. In this video, we'll dive into the world of wall repair, showing you how to choose the right materials and techniques to make those imperfections disappear, leaving you with a flawless finish. Number 5. Drywall Repair Putty, quick and easy hole filler. Are you tired of looking at those unsightly holes in your walls? This putty is the perfect solution. It's designed to quickly and easily fill those holes, making your walls look brand new. This versatile putty isn't just for drywall. It also works great on wood and plaster surfaces. You can use it to fix a variety of imperfections around your home. Small nail holes and cracks are no match for this product. It fills them seamlessly, creating a smooth surface that's ready for paint. It's the ideal choice for a flawless finish. Forget complicated applications. This putty is incredibly easy to use, making your repair projects a breeze. It simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. You don't need any special tools. Simply swipe the putty over the hole, wipe away the excess, and you're done. It's that simple to achieve professional-looking results. The application is straightforward. Swipe the putty onto the damaged area, wipe away any excess, and once it's dry, you can paint over it. It's a quick and easy way to repair your walls. What we like. This putty is incredibly easy to use. It requires no extra tools, just swipe, wipe, and paint. If you're looking for a fast and simple solution for small holes and cracks, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for anyone who wants a quick fix without the hassle. What people say. The consistency is perfect, not too runny or too thick, and it spreads smoothly over the damaged areas. It dries white, which is perfect since our boring walls at work are white. The texture is smooth and spreads easily without mess. Number 4. ADFORS FDW 9098, You Fix It Fast Wall Hole Filler. This is an all-in-one solution for your wall repair needs. It comes with a compound, applicator, and spreader, making the process simple and efficient. It effectively fills holes smaller than 2 inches, as well as scratches and other imperfections caused by screws or nails. It's designed to make your walls look perfect again. The product features a resealable top, allowing you to use it for multiple repairs over time. This ensures you can tackle various projects without waste. For smaller repairs, you won't need to sand it down. This saves you time and effort, making the repair process even easier. Remember, it's designed specifically for interior use. Make sure you're using it in the appropriate environment to get the best results. What we like. This product offers an all-in-one solution with its built-in applicator. It eliminates the need for sanding on smaller repairs, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a convenient, no-fuss product for minor wall imperfections, this is the one for you. It's perfect for quick touch-ups around the house. What people say. It is an all-in-one solution, combining the filler and a putty knife, eliminating the need for additional tools. It quickly fills in scratches or other uneven areas on the walls caused by nails or screws. The product features a resealable cap, allowing for multiple uses without wastage. Number 3. Drywall Repair Kit with Scraper. This wall mending agent kit is made with safe ingredients, making it suitable for homes with children, the elderly, and pets. It's waterproof and formaldehyde-free, ensuring a safe and effective solution for your home improvement needs. The repairs are virtually invisible, perfect for fixing damaged walls. The wall repair paste dries quickly, usually within 4 hours, providing fast and professional results. It offers strong adhesion, crack resistance, and water resistance, leaving your wall smoother and more durable. Remember to wear gloves when applying this product. Fix wall damage and cracks with simple steps. Just squeeze and scrape to fill holes and cracks. Use the included scrapers to smooth the surface, and finish with sandpaper for a perfect result. The kit can be reused after opening without shrinking or cracking. This kit is perfect for repairing cracks, nail holes, peeling paint, and stains on walls. It's ideal for homes, schools, and offices, making it a great solution for small repair projects. It can solve wall damage problems easily. The kit includes wall repair paste, scrapers, nozzle extenders, sandpaper, and wall repair patches. If you have any issues, contact us for assistance, and we'll respond within 24 hours to provide the right service. What we like. This kit prioritizes safety with its green ingredients, making it safe for everyone. It dries quickly and provides durable results. If you have children or pets, or if you're concerned about the environmental impact of your home repairs, you should consider this kit. It offers peace of mind and a professional finish. What people say. This kit contains almost all the tools and materials I need, 2 different sizes of squeegees, nozzle extensions, sandpaper, and drywall patches, among others. The wall patch has a great texture that makes it easy to fill holes and cracks in the walls of your home. The results of the repair were outstanding. The surface of the wall after patching is flat and smooth and blends perfectly with the surrounding walls, making the patching barely noticeable. Number 2. 3M LHR-KIT, High-Strength Large Hole Repair Kit. Tired of looking at those unsightly holes in your walls? This kit makes repairing them a breeze. It's designed for easy wall repair, getting your home looking its best. Get professional-looking results with this kit. It flexes and adheres behind the wall, ensuring a strong and lasting repair. You'll be amazed at how well it works. This kit is perfect for holes with a diameter of 3 to 5 inches. It's the ideal solution for those medium-sized damages. It's a great way to fix those imperfections. When used with 3M high-strength large hole repair compound, it makes repairs 5 times faster. It saves you time and effort. You can get the job done quickly. Use this kit to repair damaged areas on both walls and ceilings. It's versatile and can handle various repair needs. It's a must-have for any homeowner. Say goodbye to shrinking, cracking, or sagging repairs. This kit provides a durable and reliable solution. It ensures a long-lasting fix that you can count on. This kit is suitable for both interior and exterior use, when used with exterior paint. It's a versatile solution for all your repair needs. It's a great product to have on hand. What we like. This kit is designed for larger holes, providing professional results. It flexes and adheres behind the wall, ensuring a strong and lasting repair. If you have significant damage to your walls and need a reliable solution, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a durable and professional-looking repair. What people say. It worked great. First, the kit says the surface needs to be clean and dust-free. I filled it with the provided filler. This stuff is amazing. I've used basic spackle before and this is much easier to work with and just fill the entire hole. Number 1. FOWONG Drywall Repair Kit. Introducing the FOWONG Drywall Repair Kit. This kit makes fixing wall damage simple and efficient. It's designed to help you restore your walls with ease. The kit includes everything you need: repair putty, spackling paste, drywall repair tape, a brush, a sanding pad, a putty knife, and a putty scoop. It provides a complete solution for your wall repair needs. This wall hole filler is designed to restore damaged walls. It empowers you to seamlessly repair any hole, crack, scratch, or dent, ensuring a perfect finish. The wall patch sticks firmly and is made to last. You can rest easy knowing your wall is protected from water leaks and other damage. The pre-mixed putty and paint are easy to apply. You can handle the repair job yourself. Just shake the bottle before use and wear gloves. In cold weather, add a little hot water to the putty if it dries out. After use, clean the cap and screw it on tightly to keep it fresh for the next use. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for a complete repair, including putty, paste, and tools. It ensures a flawless finish, restoring your walls to their original glory. If you like the convenience of having all the necessary materials in one package, this is the perfect choice. It simplifies the repair process and delivers excellent results. What people say. The product is easy to use. It is a great product for fixing holes in walls. The product works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.